Oh, well, this part goes on the bottom.
This
is actually the mattress. There.
No, it's the button.
Okay, well, I thought she was making it.
You should just make it.
And why does she have to make the bed?
It's her bed.
Oh.
But she's just having a sleepover because that's her friend.
Oh. Hey.
There's a random person working in the house.
Hello? Hello? Why are you in my house?
Yeah, just to pretend it's a robot.
What? Wake up! Wake up! There's a robot in the house.
Look at it.
What? No, it's under the bed. It's under the bed.
Grab it. Grab it.
I can't. I have opposable thumbs and they don't bend. Whew. That was close. But now the bed's a mess again. You're the best bed maker. Where's the pillow?
I know.
Best bed maker ever. I think that's a world record right there. Move it down. So, we're all dressed up. Are we, going somewhere? Or are we just, gonna keep making the bed in our ball gowns?
Okay. Yeah. It's funny.
So, tell me again. So, why did she have to take care of her sister?
Because I was gone for a while.
And you said you were taking care of her stuff for her birthday.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And why isn't her dad taking care of her sister?
He's gone for a while.
He's gone for a long while.
Because there's a lot of people that needs help.
Needs help with what?
There's a fire on some of their houses.
Oh, so he's a firefighter?
Yeah.
Oh, so did he go far away or he's still pretty close?
He's kind of pretty close because that's our neighbor. Its house is on fire.
Ah, okay. So, if our next door neighbor's house is on fire, should we not be home? Is it safe?
It's okay.
Okay, good to know.
Really. It's kind of close.
It's kind of close. Okay. So it's like in the same city.
Yes, in the same city, but it's not really close.
Okay.